In today's video, we are going to call coin shops anonymously all across the US, and we are going to see what they would sell us 1 ounce gold eagles for. Let's get them on the phone. Hi, do you guys have 1 ounce gold eagles for sale?
I do not. I have no 1 ounce at this time.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, it looks like shop number 1 didn't even have any in stock, but we are going to call a lot more shops than just one shop. Now, the reason we're doing this video is over a month ago, I had uploaded a video where I had called local coin shops all across the US, and I had tried to sell them $10,000 worth of gold coins. I got answers that were all over the board. Now, one thing I noticed in that video is I got a lot of people that were saying that, you know, the shops are offering so low because they need to turn a profit margin, but they don't realize that right now, gold eagles, as far as I can tell, are going for 200 to 250 over spot. And we're going to find that out. So coin shop number 1 didn't even have any in stock. It would be interesting to see what he's buying them for. Maybe we'll call them back in a later video. Yeah, do you guys have any 1 ounce gold eagles?
No.
No.
We're out.
Oh my gosh, I can't find them anywhere. Do you know where I could look?
No, I really don't. We've been trying to get them. You know, they're probably 3 to 4 weeks out.
Wow. Okay.
So,
What about other 1 ounce golds? Should I just buy something else?
well, I think we still have the 1 ounce bars, which is going to be the cheapest.
Hmm.
That stuff runs spot plus 125 right now. Puts
Okay.
them about.
Yeah, I think I'd rather have like the sovereign stuff. Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll keep shopping around. I appreciate it.
Oh, you betcha.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
2 shops in a row that don't have any in stock. They just told me that 1 ounce gold bars were selling for $125 over spot. Now, I had a lot of people saying in that video where I called the to sell 10,000 ounces in gold, or $10,000 worth of gold. Oh my gosh, 10,000 ounces. Could you imagine? But that anyway, shops, of course, they're going to pay back a spot because they need to make their margins. And I totally get that. But when you're talking about the premiums right now on gold and silver, I mean, even 1 ounce gold bars are selling for $125 over spot. So if you bought even gold bars at spot, you would still have to drop quite a bit just to break even and lose. And I don't even expect them to buy 1 ounce gold bars at spot. I would expect 1 ounce gold bars to be bought at like 97%, 98%. And then 1 ounce gold eagles to be bought either at spot or above spot. But either way, 2 shops in a row that don't have any in stock. Let's get a third shop on the phone and see if they have any 1 ounce gold eagles available. Hey, I'm just curious if you guys have any 1 ounce gold eagles right now. I can't seem to find them.
Yeah, we do. We have them in stock.
What are they selling for?
I'm actually on a different phone right now. Let me go switch phones and check in that for you.
Okay.
Are you looking for just 22s, or does the year not matter?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah. Let me go check and I'll see if I can get you the best price.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So we would do $18.95 today.
$18.95. What is that? That's like, what, 240 or 250 over?
It's a little bit over, but you know, they're just getting a little bit harder to find at around spot price.
Oh, yeah.
Getting super greedy.
No. I didn't think that at all. I was just trying to do the math in my head because, like, I've called 2 other shops and you're the first one to even had them. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's crazy. One guy said 4 to 5 weeks out just to get them.
Wow.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna call around a few more just because the premiums are so high. Obviously, I want to see what I can do for the best, but. I will see. Do you have any cheaper gold, like maples or anything?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. What do maples like go for? I don't want bars. I'm looking for sovereign. So, like, what do maples go for?
Yeah, the maple leaf I could do for around probably like 1820, 1830 right now.
Okay, yeah, it's a lot cheaper.
Significantly cheaper.
Yeah. All right, cool. All right, I got that down. I'm gonna make a few more calls, and we'll see if I call back. I appreciate it.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so that shop actually had them available. That was shop number 3. The first 2 didn't have any at all. Obviously, the gold eagles were like 250 over spot or so. And by the way, that is a live spot price down at the bottom of the screen as I make the calls. Obviously, those numbers will be different as you watch it back. But as you can see, the maples are definitely cheaper. But even maples are like $150, $160 over spot. I'd have to do the math. But at least we found someone with them in stock. Let's call some more places and see if they have them in stock and what they're selling for. Yeah, do you guys have any 1-ounce gold eagles available?
No, sold out.
Sold out. Wow, he hung up on me quick. I'm using a voice changer and a brand new phone number, so they are sold out. He was not interested in talking to me, but you know, in this video series, we don't call out coin shops. You know, he was clearly very rude, and that's not a shop I would ever call back the way that I was just treated there. No, we'll sold out click. But, you know, actually I'm on a brand new phone number that I just got to do these videos, as well as on a new voice changer. So I sound different. I got a new number. There's no way they would know it was me. And that was horrendous. But again, we don't call out coin shops. It's just whenever you deal with a coin shop like that, you know that that's never a shop that you're going to deal with again. Either way, they were sold out. That's 3 out of the 4 that didn't have any. We are getting a call back from one. This is interesting. This guy did not answer earlier. Let's do it. Here we go. Hello? Oh, hi. I had called earlier. I was just wondering if you had any 1-ounce gold eagles available.
I do. Yes.
Oh, okay. What do they go for today? I've called 4 shops. Only one had them right now.
Let me ask you, how many are you looking for?
Oh, just 1 or 2. I don't have a whole lot of money.
Got it. Sadly, my minimum order is 5 of them. I
Oh,
only deal in larger quantities.
okay.
Because I have to ship them from my depository, and they won't ship 1 or 2.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. Apologies.
That's okay. Just, I can't afford 5, but just out of curiosity, if I were to buy 5, would it be like cheaper than if I just bought 1, or what would that cost me?
I have to look up the pricing. No, let me call you right back. Is that okay?
Sure.
Right, thanks.
Right back. All right, well, that was interesting. He's going to call us back with the number if I were to order 5. And actually, to be honest, I'm not really wasting his time because it sounds like he ships. And if he has a really good price in gold eagles, maybe it is somebody I would want to deal with since he ships them anyway. All right, so I went ahead and waited a few minutes for that coin company to call me back, and they didn't. So we're going to go ahead and get coin shop at number 6 on the phone. Here we go. Yeah, do you guys have any 1-ounce gold eagles available?
No, sir.
Oh my goodness, I can't find them anywhere. Do you know where I could look?
I keep a handful for my walk-in customers, but as far as wholesale quantity, no, sir.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Yes.
Bye. That was an odd response. He says he keeps a handful available for his walk-in customers, but no wholesale quantity. I didn't call about wholesale. I was just seeing if he had them in stock. So it sounds like he had a couple if I were to walk in, but none available for me calling and asking over the phone. That's interesting. But either way, that's another shop that technically is out besides a couple. So it sounds like, you know, I didn't ask him, but it sounds like just like a lot of the other shops that I called, he is having trouble getting them. So what does that tell us right now? Well, I did that video about a month ago, and there were a lot of coin shops that were lowballing, you know, offering under spot for even 1-ounce gold eagles. We did have one shop that made a very good offer, I thought so at the time, for 1-ounce gold eagles. That was the last shop in the video. Today, you know, 4 of the 6 shops that we talked to really didn't have any available. We did have one coin shop that said that he only sells them 5 or more because he has to ship them. So I guess maybe he's an online dealer, which is odd because it is listed as a local coin shop and even had a place of business on Google when I looked it up. We had a lot of other shops that just didn't have them available at all. And the shops that did were, you know, the premiums that I said at the beginning of the video, $200, $250 over spot. So, you know, when I said in the other video that I thought shops were lowballing buying 1-ounce gold eagles below spot, it wasn't because, you know, I think that they should be buying and selling at the same price. Obviously not. Coin shops have to make a profit. But I do believe that when you're talking about something right now that's hard to get, like 1-ounce gold eagles, and something that is selling, you know, right now at retail for $250 over spot or so, that you should at least pay spot, maybe more, for your 1-ounce gold eagles. But that's my thoughts. What do you think down below? Like I said, guys, I don't even call out coin shops when I do these videos. This is not about calling them out. That's why we mask the voice. That's why we don't, you know, share the name or location, is because we're not here to call out coin shops. We're here to show you the importance of calling around and getting the best possible deal. And additionally, just getting some real world data as to what's going on in the market. That was 6 different coin shops in 6 different states that we talked to today. And we had a lot of trouble finding 1-ounce gold eagles. So So maybe they should pay a little bit more. Maybe they'll get a few more across the counter. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and link the video right here that I talked about earlier, where I went and tried to sell $10,000 of gold to different coin shops around the US. If you haven't seen that yet, now's the time to click it and watch it. It was a great video with a ton of views and a lot of good responses, and I would love to hear what you have to say as well. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.